Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download .NET Framework 3.5 on your Windows 11 computer. So perhaps you're having compatibility issues with different programs, games, or applications, and you're coming across a .NET Framework 3.5 is missing, perhaps message on your computer. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that by just going ahead and downloading .NET Framework 3.5 onto your Windows 11 computer. This tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 computers as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Windows Features. Best result should come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to check mark where it says .NET Framework 3.5 includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Go ahead and fill in that box there. Just make sure it's fully filled in. Go ahead and click inside this box and then click the little plus sign after it and make sure both of these are also checkmarked. And then select OK. And then select Let Windows Update download the files for you. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So hopefully that should be able to help you guys install NetFramework 3.5. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.